Okay, hello everyone. I'm going to be showing us briefly how to set the buy stop and sell stop order. All right, so this is very, very important because if you subscribe for the challenge, the 200 to 2000 challenge, all right, these are the key things that you need to know, all right, to make your stay and the challenge very profitable, all right, and to make it make sense for you, because these I'm going to be teaching us, what the kind of orders that we will be using. All right, it's not going to be an instant market execution thing like buy now sell now. No, all right, it's going to be pending orders. All right, so the key, we have four types of pending orders. We have the buy limit, sell limit, the buy stop, and the sell stop. All right, so but for this purpose I'll be teaching us only two, the buy stop and sell stop. All right, so that's what we will be using to to enter our trades. All right, so and this will be sent about 5 minutes prior to the news release. All right, for example, if the news will be released by 1:30, this signal will be dropped on the groups. All right, it will be dropped on the groups by 1:25. All right, so you need to practice and practice and practice to know how to quickly do this, quickly impute these parameters and set these pending orders. All right, so so I'll be teaching us how to log into our MT4 if we haven't learned how to log into our MT4 yet, for those who are freshers, like complete freshers. All right, okay, so let me start by going to my my dashboard, that is my CRM. All right, so this is me right now on my CRM. Okay, so I'm going to, so let me see if this is going to log me in or out. All right, so let me see if this is going to be logging me in or out. All right, so okay, I think I am still logged in. All right, so and I also just created a demo account, because that is what I'll be using to show us this to show us this practice. All right, that is what we'll be using as practice to show us how to to do these things. Okay, so this is still loading, it's done loaded. Okay, so now this is the account I just opened. Okay, so this is the account I just opened, so this is what I'll be using. So the details of this account has been sent to my email. So likewise, every other person's email, the details to log into your account has been sent there. So what we'll just do simply is to go to our email. All right, you can see this has just been sent to my email. You can see this is 3:30. All right, so this has just been sent to my email. So what I will do is I will open it and I will copy the login ID. You can see I have just copied the login ID. All right, so I'll be going to the platform right now, to the MT4. All right, I'll be going to the MT4. I'll just tap on the MT4 app. All right, and once it opens, I will click on the three vertical lines at the top left corner of this app. All right, I'll be clicking on this. You can see get started. You can see, so I will click on the plus sign at the top right corner, all right, of this app, just to log into my account. Now log into an existing account is what I will use. All right, so I'm going to look for GTC. If it's not among these ones listed, you just type it. So I'll be clicking on GTC Global Trade demo account. All right, so now under the login I would paste what I copied, all right, from my email. That is the detail of the login, and I will go back and copy the password. All right, so I have copied the password. All right, so I'll paste the password right now. It is pasted, and I would leave the save password box checked. All right, and I will sign in. All right, so I have just signed in right now. Yes, I will click on save. You can see I have just signed in right now to the account I just created. Okay, so now I'll click on the icon from among the icons below. If I click on the first one, all right, if I click on the first one from the left, okay, it brings me to the quotation side. This is where you find, you know, all the tradable instrument or assets. All right, so now we'll look for AUD. All right, we'll look for AUD USD. Okay, so if AUD USD is not there, for example, permit me to edit something. Let me just show you something. Let me remove everything here. All right, so let me remove everything here and delete it. But because of this is a demo account, gold is not, you know, cannot be deleted. All right, so but let me show you how to add it in case you try to, you know, you log into your own account and you can't find gold among those listed. All right, so you just let's go back here. Let's say gold is not here, so I'll be adding something else right now. So I'll click on the plus sign. Let's say I want to add USD JPY. So I'll click on Forex Major here, and I will scroll down to USD JPY, click on it. Once you tap on it, it automatically moves to the quotation side. All right, you can see it now. Okay, so now I want to go to the chart now, to the chart of the gold of XAUUSD. That's the symbol of gold. All right, so I'll just tap on it. I'll just tap on it and click on what? Open chart. So once I tap on it and click on open chart, it brings me to the chart. However your chart looks like, don't bother about it. All right, so because you can all customize it to whatever color preferences and add things that you want to add on your chart, but let's not go, you know, to that right now. Okay, now so this is gold. Okay, so when the signal is sent to you on the WhatsApp chat, on the WhatsApp group, all right, on whatever channel you can find yourself, whether the Telegram group or the WhatsApp channel, okay, once it is sent, this is how you go about it. This is how you go about setting it up, okay, so you can trade it. Okay, so now you can see that there is a, at the top right corner, there is a symbol that looks like a SIM card with a plus. All right, with a plus in the middle. Okay, so now let's just say, for example, we want to, there's a sell stop order and there's a buy stop order that was sent, and for the sell stop order, the sell stop order is at let's say is at 126, sorry, 2026 2020, okay, no, current price is at 2026. All right, let's say the sell stop order is at 2025. All right, 2025.00, for example. What we'll just do is we'll click on that icon at the top left, top right corner, like that I showed you or talked about. Then you click on market execution. Then you click on sell stop. You can see the different types of pending orders there, but the ones we are using is just buy stop and sell stop. So you click on sell stop. All right, then under on the next place under is where you set your lot size. All right, you can see the lot size is here. I can choose any lot size I want. All right, so but here I want to use 0.1 mini lots. All right, so now we are going to impute the price that we are told to set. All right, so that is 2025.00. You can see 0.00. So you can see we will just place it now. It is placed. You can see the order is placed. You understand? The order has been placed. You can see it's not reading because it's a pending order. So let us go back and let us do a buy stop order immediately. You know you have to be fast because this will be sent about 5 minutes to the release of the news. Okay, so you quickly tap on the top on the icon at the top right of your screen again. Then let's do a buy stop. All right, let's put a buy stop order. So this is the buy stop. Let's say the buy stop is at 2027. All right, 2027. You can see our volume, which is our lot size, is still 0.1. So let us put our price now 2020. Okay, let's just say 2027. Okay, so 2027.00. All right, that is for the buy stop, and it has been placed. All right, so now that this has been placed, you can see both of them here. So if you go back to your charts, that is the middle icon. If you click on the middle icon, you will see the two lines there. So now once the news is released, one of these will be triggered because price will always go in the direction of the news release. So once the news is released, if it favors, if it favors gold, gold will buy. Which means it will trigger your buy entry, your buy stop order. If it doesn't favor gold, it will trigger your sell stop order. So whichever one triggers, okay, you will see it here. One of them will be triggered. So once anyone is triggered, you will close the one that did not trigger. The one that triggers is the one that will start reading. So you will now close the one that did not trigger. All right. So for example, let me close one of it that did not trigger. For example, in case you don't know how to, let's say one of these now has triggered and I want to close the one that did not trigger. So I'll just hold down on this. You can see once I hold down on the one that did not trigger, you can see delete order. So I'll just click on delete order and delete order. You can see it has been deleted. So I will now wait to take profit on this one that's triggered. All right, so that is it for now. All right, so in case you need to learn more things or there's something you don't understand about what has been taught here, just send us a message. Try to reach out to us or your account manager and we'll put you up to speed. All right, so in case you haven't funded for the challenge, please do that so that you will not miss out on tomorrow's news that will be released, so you can make profits, all right, tomorrow. All right, so my name is Chima, and thank you for listening and thank you for watching this video. All right, have a nice day. Bye.